K6AKK here. We're showing today how I installed my FTM300 Yaesu Fusion radio into my RAV4. Installation came out pretty good. It's actually been in here for a couple months now. The only kink I had was initially I had a magnetic mount on the back of the radio, and the glue decided to unglue at a little over 100 degrees. Fixed that by using some fender washers and a flathead screw. And I'll show all that to you in just a little bit. So yep, there's the secret to the mount. It's a Scoosh mag mount. It's meant for cell phones and stuff like that. And we just basically mounted that on a small little L bracket that is shoved between the radio frame and this. There's a little piece of L metal. You can buy it at any hardware store. And then we just mounted this bracket on that. And then that's a magnet. And it comes with, hopefully I can show this, it comes with this. And you're supposed to put this on the back of your cell phone and it hangs onto it. Well, you can kind of maybe tell. I tried it on the back of the radio and it worked good for a while till we hit our first 100-degree day. Then I found the radio kind of down like yay. But you can see what the solution is. Two fender washers with a screw, flathead screw of the appropriate thread to go into the back of the radio. And voila, it no longer falls over in our 115-degree weather that we get here during the summer. So it's been doing good. And it snaps right on there. You can adjust it and it swivels back and forth as well. I'll try to show that in the next shot. Here we are, it's back on the mag mount, and as you can see, you can push it up, down, around. It's nice and stiff though, so it doesn't go anywhere when you're driving, and you know, it works out well. And as you can see over here on the side, the flat wire that comes with the radio fits, if I can keep the radio, you can almost not even see it, but it's right in this crease and goes down underneath like that. So nice install for a remote head, puts it right where it's very usable, and it's high enough that I can still see all my buttons down here and even the numbers on the temperature gauge when the car's running. So here's a picture from the side so you can kind of get an idea of how the mount's all working in there and everything. It's worked out really well. You can see there's no real wire up there. The wire basically runs down here. You just push it into the crevice, run it all the way down. I don't know if you can see this in the dark, and then it goes underneath here. Very nice, clean install.